Okay. Well, I'm sorry, I have a little problem on the internet connection. Sure. Yes. Can you all hear me? Yes.
Loud and clear.
Yay. So how do we anticipate for a reset? You see a good peak like this on the daily chart. And usually these peaks happen on the price action zone. Like there's a resistance area here. What the fuck is wrong? Like there is a resistance area around this, around this region here. And there's a good peak like this. You should anticipate for 3 levels on the daily time frame. So the first level here will complete the first cycle on the hour 1 time frame. This one will be the second cycle on the hour 1 time frame, and this one will be the third cycle on the hour 1 time frame. Now, do that. So,
Hey, what the fuck wrong?
music. So you see a good peak like this. This will be the first cycle on the hour 1 time frame. This will be the second cycle on the hour 1 time frame. And this here will be the third cycle. Cycle. Complete series. Yes. So here the dealer will complete the 3 levels, see the 3-day cycle, and the ADR. ADR times 3. So ADR times 3, ADR times 3, ADR times 3. So this will be around 1.5 ADR. So this is another peak low on the hour 1 time frame. And this here is another cycle. But here the dealer will come to form a peak reset on the 13 EMA. So he will come and pin the 13 EMA. So this here was simply a pullback to the 50 and the quarter price here. Simply a pullback here. So if you go to your PC, you will find to the hour 1 time frame, you'll find a good M here. So it will be a good M peak. Like this will be a very good M peak. So you find it as a good M. And then the dealer will complete the second level on the daily time frame. It would form a peak on the hour 1. So you take this trade, you go long. So here the dealer came to pin the quarter price here. This is another peak reset. And then dealer had completed the third level. So from here now, you look for long trades. And these long trades which you are taking here should be your swing trades. So if you want to swing long term, you have taken your trade here, you wait for the 3 levels. This will be around 2 months. Like this was May. I don't know if you can wait that long. But you can take the short-term long trades around these areas on the hour 1 time frame. So you would anticipate for a reset if you see a good peak on the daily time frame. And I've noticed that if this good peak happens on the daily, when you go on the weekly time frame, when you go to your weekly and look on the TDI, you'll find the TDI as the sharp thing. So I took like, see, There's a shark fin here. There's a shark fin here. So a good peak on the daily, if you go to the weekly, you find the shark fin. So the knowledge you have on the hour 4 about the TDI, I simply shifted it on the weekly time frame. So that's the another good peak was on USD on the day. See this good peak here. This is a very good peak. It was an M formation. This was an M formation here. There's the 5 and 13. So the dealer went for the first level, the second is going for the third. So this is why I did hold the short trade here on USD ZAR. And I'm still on the short trade here. So I looked on the daily and I remember I sent the anticipation when the price was here. I simply drew an arrow here. So you should shift the knowledge you have on the hour 1 time frame and use it here when you see a good peak. Another peak, Euro Audi. I think my friend Hawk is in Euro Audi still. He has scratched out on Euro Audi, but it was a very good peak. This one was a very good peak. See on the hour 1, you can even see it on the hour 1. See this peak. When you go on the daily, see there's a very good M here. So peaks like this on the daily chart, these are the peaks that you need to swing. You should not look for long trades around these areas. These are the peaks that you swing. Any question there?
Hey, Norbert. Oh,
yeah.
Right. So precisely what this method is precisely saying is that we can actually use the beat the market maker strategy on any time frame as long as we see the market maker's hand.
Yeah.
Norbert?
Yes, I think you get me there on the daily. By saying that, then you can that even on the daily time, the cycle is the same.
Okay. So precisely what we just check there on a daily, we can just analyze it just to check for swings actually on a daily and see if there's an opportunity for the daily. And same thing on the hour 4, but the major strategy here we always look at is 1 hour, and then we take the trade on 15 minutes. But if there's an opportunity that presents itself on the daily, that's when we hold and swing.
Yes,
that's what you say.
You hold and swing, but the hour 1 in the 15 minutes time frame, we still use our entries are the same on the 15 minutes time. Don't tell the entries here.
All right, I hear you. Okay.
See the same would present itself. Yes. See this good heat here. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we will finish up with the. Oh, my friend, Hawk here.
Yeah.
Do you have anything to add on the daily time frame?
Yeah, you can let it back so I can add. Mostly in that time frame, we look on supply and demand areas where the dealer reaches. When he reaches there, almost we look on the price action on basis on daily time frame, right? Yeah. So, for example, in that screen, we can see the quota price here, and the mostly dealer reverse on those quota prices, which we say is the demand area and supply. That's all on based on the daily time frame.
Like yeah,
Okay.
the quota price here. And the dealer reversed around this area. We have another good pick on Euro New Zealand. Yes, Euro New Zealand. This year, this was an M. And these M's usually happen after 3 levels on there's 3 levels here and then an M, look for 3 levels again.
He was done.
Yes. So someone, I remember Melvin is not here. He once asked me, or you see some other mentors will call it a 5 levels. I don't know, 5 levels, what? 5 levels, I don't know what. Yes. But simply, you look on good picks on the daily time frame. So that's all for today. I hope you can take swing trades. Swing trades based on the daily time frame. So we meet again tomorrow. Guess tomorrow our boot camp will be over. Those are simply the remaining part is simply the psychological part. It's not the trading. So meet again tomorrow.
Okay, no, but
Let's go.
no. I'm saying it's all right. That's a wrap for today. Okay.
Thank you.
Chop.